What if you could discover how I analyze coin on Binance using as little as $20? It sounds impossible? Don't worry, wait till you see this. Because in this video, I will show you exactly how to use the Binance Gainers section to find coins before they pump, and how me personally use it to grow a small account step by step. Before I go further, let me give you this quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not giving financial advice, and you should always do your own personal research before investing in any crypto assets. Most beginners make the same mistake. They chase coins that are already up by 50% or 100%, thinking the pump will never end. But that is the fastest way to lose money. The real secret is learning how to spot opportunities before they explode. And that is exactly what I will teach you in this video. How to find coins early using the Binance Gainers section, confirm the trend using trend lines, and time your entry with Bollinger Bands and MACD. Step number 1. Here is your Binance homepage interface. Just scroll down a bit, then you will see favorite, hot, alpha, new, and gainers. Now click on gainers. Now this is where Binance lists coins that are trending upward in price, either new token or existing ones, showing strong volume and momentum. So next thing to do, click on view more. Good. Now this is where most traders usually get it wrong. A lot of people think the higher the percentage, the better the opportunities. But me, I disagree totally with that. This is what I am referring to. Percentage here. Just concentrate on it. When you see a coin already up to 60% or 80%, it's usually too late. I hope you guys are grabbing. When you see a coin that is already up to 60% to 80%, it's usually what? Too late. Notice somewhere, get a pen or something to jot my information down. When you see it like that, that is when smart traders are already taking profits. You note it? Let's go again. Instead, look for coins with smaller gains. I mean, smaller gains with around 2% to 5%. You can keep scrolling down. You'll be seeing coin within 2 to 5%. I'm still scrolling. Oh, good. These coins, just listen to this secret. These coins often have the room to grow if confirmed by the charts. I repeat, these smaller gains coin, like 2 to 5%, often have the room to grow if confirmed by the charts. CHARTS, charts. Don't forget our step number 1, which is to locate the gainer section, and we are here now. Step number 2 is to check the 4 hours charts. CHART, 4 hours charts. We have gotten, okay, for instance now, let's select a coin with smaller gain. Then we can proceed to step number 2, which is to check the 4 hours charts based on that coin. So let me take one random here now. So I selected GUN USDT Trading Pay. GUN USDT Trading Pay. As you can see here, GUN USDT Trading Pay. So next thing to do now is to change our time frame to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. So click on 4 hours. When changed to 4 hours time frame, the next thing to do now is to bring in our trend line. How are we going to do that? Click on this icon, then click on drawing. When click on drawing, it will change the interface to horizontal, from portrait to horizontal. So I click it now. You see? Oh, good. Now look at it now. So let me zoom it. All right, so let's go and bring our trend line. How are we going to do that? Click on this icon. I hope you are seeing it. This one, just click on it. Good. Now this is trend line. Click on it. So from here now, we are to locate the lowest price here. Let me click on anywhere here now. Good. You tap twice. Then let me show you, because it may be confusing. This is it here. Are you seeing it? So I will drag it. Are you seeing it? You see how I'm dragging it? You see it? So let me drag it like this. Now, so I extended it. Now I want to long press on anywhere of this line. Long press, then drag it. You see how I'm dragging it? So I want to drag it to connect at least 2 to 3 price points. So let me try. I'll put it somewhere here. Then let me drag it from the up here. The price up here, I think it's okay here. Then the lowest price here. Let me try to touch it. I think it's okay like this. Let me change it again. Okay. Yes, it's okay like this. Now, if you watch closely, you see that this is a price line. One, it touched this line. This green one is a price bar, and it touched this line here, one. And another one here 2, another one here 3, and another one here 4. So the line able to touch like 4 prices. Just put it at the base, under, not the middle or upper, just under. There's something we want to bring out from this. This tells you whether the market is moving up, down, or sideways. Some traders say trend line are old school, but here's the thing, the market still respect them. This same trend line, the more times the trend line is touched without breaking, the stronger that trend is. I repeat, the more times a trend line is touched without breaking, then the stronger that trend is. Once you confirm that the market is an uptrend, then it is time to move closer to a shorter time frame. So this will now make us to do what? To move to step 3. From here now, we confirm that the touch is even more than 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4 touch, which indicates that the trend is stronger. So let's move to step number 3. Click on this just to cancel. Good. Now it has turned it back to portrait, and our trend line is still there for us. Step number 3 now is to drop down to 15 minutes chart. Don't forget step number 2 is 4 hours chart. So let's go and change it to 15 minutes chart. So come here now, click on this 15 minutes. Click it. Oh, good. Now our chart is changed to 15 minutes chart. On the 15 minutes chart, we add 2 indicators. The first one is Bollinger Bands, and the second one is MACD, moving average convergence divergence. Together, they help you confirm when to enter trade. So let me turn it on. This is MACD. Let me turn it on. Good. Are you seeing it? This is it. This is Bollinger. Let me turn it on. Good. Now, for many of you that have watched the last video I made on Bollinger, this is another benefit of using Bollinger. So you need to give me your full attention. Please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, if you haven't subscribed before, make sure you do now. Give me a like on this video, drop your comment, and share this video. I know you are doing everything for me. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Thank you, and God bless you. Step number 4 now is understanding Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands shows volatility. That is how far price moves up or down. Let me first show you the Bollinger Band. You know, I like practical. So this is, let me use this indicator. This line, and this line is Bollinger Band. There are 3 lines. This one coming like this, another one coming like this, and this one. These are Bollinger Bands. These 3 lines indicator, we need it a lot for many things. When price touches this lower band, are you seeing it? This lower band, when price touches it, this as it's going like this are prices. These are prices. Okay, all these things you are saying are prices. So when prices touches this lower band, this line that's coming like this, let me remove it. This line, anytime price touches it, you see that price touches it here. You see, I will not tell you what happened. Anytime price touches it like this, it might be a signal that price could bounce up. And if you watch carefully in this place, when the price touches this lower band, what happened to the price? It's going up. So if you're the one that have mastered this thing before, anytime you see like this, you will buy the coin because you will see the tendency that this price will go up because it has touched this lower band. And when it touches it here, what happened to the price? It's going up. Then in another way rounds, when price touches this upper band, this is upper band. When this price touches this upper band, it often means the coin will slow down or pull back. I hope you guys are grabbing. So if you are the type that have been holding coin before you want to sell, if you take note of something like this, it's a signal for you to know either to sell or to still hold the coin. Well, that is not all. There are many indicators, things you can use to determine. Okay, but with this, if you're a smart one there and you know how to read the chart, go through it very well, then you know that, oh, something is like this place now, it touches here. When it touched the upper band here, the price started going down. Are you seeing it? Look at another one here. When the price touches the lower band here, it shoots up. When the price touches the upper band here, it's pulled back, come to this place. And when it still touched the lower band here, what happened to the price? It still shoots up. So I just tried to show you the history from the back. Then let's come back to where we are. So since our 4 hours charts already show us the uptrend, and assuming if we look at the price here and the price is still touching the lower band, that means it's the signal for the potential entry for the coin. If you now watch carefully, there is a mistake somewhere, because when you check the trend line and our Bollinger Band analysis, you see that they are not giving you the same direction, which means there is a mistake somewhere. And let's trace it back. According to Bollinger Band here, it's very clear and obvious. But let's go back to our trend line. That means there is a mistake somewhere we need to check, because both trend line and Bollinger Bands, they work hands in hands. Is it hand in hand or hands to hands? So let's go back again. I'll put it 4 hours, and this is our trend line. Oh, you see the mistake? Look at our trend line. The starting point of trend lines is my personal mistake, and I like it like that. I will not edit it. I will make it clear like this for you to see my own mistake, because our mistake is one of our great teacher. A mistake can lead you in trouble, and when you are seeing like a trouble, you are foreseeing some trouble, then call yourself back. There's a mistake somewhere. Look at our own mistake. Do you realize that the trending line must start from the least price, the lowest price you can see so far here? And look at it here now. The lowest price we are seeing here so far is this one here. And look at where I put my line. Your line must touch at least from the lowest price. My line is touching nothing here. And I was happy that I have like 4 to 5 touches. I think you remember. So let's go and amend the mistake. How are we going to do it? Click on this icon. Click on drawing. Good. It has switched it. Now let's come back. Then zoom it. Now let's come to this place. We have to put it here. This lowest one here. It should start from there. So click on it. Okay, I have clicked on the line now. So I will drag the line to touch this minimum price here. I hope it has touched it. Good. Now let's drag this one to touch at least 2 or 3 base or more. So I think it's only able to touch 1. Are you seeing it like that? See, this is accurate now. Apart from touching the minimum price, the next is to touch at least 1 more price point. If this can touch at least 2 or 3 or more price points, is a signal for stronger trend. But what we are seeing here is just, let me click out, let me zoom so that I can see. It only touched 2 price points, which means the trend is not strong. The trend is not what? It's not strong. There is a tendency for this to fall back. There's a tendency for market to do what? To move down. So this is where we made mistake, and I think I have gotten the correction now. Let me zoom it again so that to be very sure. Okay, so let me cancel this so that I can go back to the chart. Click on this icon. Okay, it is good now. Now we can see it now, very clear. So let me click on 15 minutes back. We are done with the trend line, and from the trend line now we see that the trend is weak. It's not strong. Okay, there is tendency for market to do what? To drop down. So let's go back to where we are. That is the Bollinger Band and MACD. I have explained Bollinger Band. Hope you remember. So let me click on 15 minutes. Then from the Bollinger Band now, even from here now, you see that it has even touched the upper band. The price have touched the upper band. There is tendency for this to do what? Fall back according to Bollinger Band. Now let's talk about the MACD. Don't forget, this is our MACD. Our MACD is going to be our step 5. You don't forget, our step 1 is what? Location of the gainer section. Step 2 is checking for the 4 hours chart. Step 3 is drop down to 15 minutes chart. Why step 4 is Bollinger Bands, which I have explained. Now we want to talk about the step 5, which is confirming the MACD. This is MACD. I've shown you before, and this is the icon. If I tap on it again, which means I have off the MACD. If I tap on Bollinger again, I have off it. So once you tap on it, you see that it has indicated that you have on it. So let me on both Bollinger and MACD. I've on them now. Let's talk about the help of MACD. MACD helps confirm momentum. Let me show you so that you know I like practical. The MACD have 2 lines. We have yellow line and purple line. When the yellow line, which is MACD line, crosses above the purple line, the purple line is what we call signal line, and you see the green bars. Let me be demonstrating it. Anytime you see, let me come back, the yellow line, this yellow line that crosses over the purple line, this purple line, and you see the green line, this green line you are seeing, which is also referred to as histograms. I repeat, histograms. And you see this histogram started to appear. That is a sign that momentum is shifting upward, and that is your potential entry confirmation. The best entries happen when, number 1, when the coin is in an uptrend 4 hours chart. Are you following? Our 4 hours chart is an uptrend, but it's not strong. If you check it, it was was still going up, but it's not strong. It's not strong. It's weak, which means there's tendency that it can fall back at any time, but it's an uptrend. Number 2, when price touches the lower Bollinger Band. Are you following? When price touches the lower Bollinger Band, but according to what we are studying here, our chart, what we are reading here, there is no tendency that this will increase. There's tendency that it's still coming back. As at now, what we are reading now is coming back, coming down. Then the third one is when MACD gives a bullish crossover. I have to zoom in very well so that to let you see this one you are seeing here is bullish. The red one here indicates bearish. Why this one is bullish? This one is trying to form bullish, but you can't compare it with this one. This one really formed the bullish. This one just trying to form the bullish, but there's no assurance yet. If you check very well, it's just trying to form bullish. It's unlike this one. This one really formed bullish. This yellow line is greater than what? The purple line. And the green color, look at it, the bullish, it really formed. And what's happened here? Is this not bullish? So if I were you, if I see something like this that I'm not sure of very well, I will wait for some time. I will wait for like next 30 to 1 hour to see what will happen. What will happen, then I will come to know when to come in or not to come in. So if I were you, I will not come in now. I'm telling you the plain truth. I'll be very careful because there is no certainty. The certainty I'm seeing here is that the market may come down, but it looks like this market may go up. And if you watch closely with what we are seeing here now, let me just pay your attention to this MACD, okay? It's just trying to form the bullish, all right? But with what we are reading from Bollinger Bands and trend line, there is tendency for this thing, the market to pull back. So let me show you the history here now. Let's see. Look at this place. It's like this is trying to form like there's going to be what? Bullish. But what later happened? It dropped down. The market dropped down. And if you look, see, thank God, this is just similar to what happened now. Look at this place. It has touched, according to Bollinger Band analysis, this has already touched the upper Bollinger Band line, which is indicating that this market can fall down at any time. But if you look at what MACD is saying, is trying to show signal that the market will go up. It's just trying, but it's not strong. It's not strong like this. This is very strong. Guys, I don't know if you are following this training. I'm just trying to go practical. This is very strong, but this is not strong. Just trying. So which means don't trust what you are saying here. Go for what Bollinger Band is reading. This is just like a confirmation for you to know that, oh wow, according to trend line, we have seen it that the trend is not strong. I don't mean we have like price points touching the trending line like 2, 3 or more than that. The higher the point that touch the trending line, the more assurance that the trend will be stronger. But we have just 1 or 2 price points touching the trend line, which means the trend is very weak and there's tendency that this thing will pull back at any time. So that is all I have for you. Please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, you have to subscribe. I still have many videos to give you guys, okay? And if you want to connect with me or you want to enroll for my course, check the pin comment, see link to connect with me to go enroll for my course. Give me a like on this video and share this video, please. So I give you 5 steps. Don't forget the steps. So far so good. By now you have a simple formula you can practice anytime. Number 1, identify coins with smaller early gains in the Binance Gainers list. Number 2, confirm direction with trend lines on the 4 hours chart. Number 3, fine-tune entries on the 15-minute chart using Bollinger Bands and MACD. This is not magic. It's a strategy and patience. It might not work every time, but over time, consistency application builds experience, confidence, and better judgment. So if you feel like you get value from this tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like on this video, and share this video. You have questions, drop it for me. You want to enroll for my course, check the pin comment, see link to connect with me and go enroll for my course. I love you guys. These videos, go and watch them. I love you guys. Till next time, see you guys in my next videos.